How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So if you want to fix TikTok photo swipe not working, then first let's open up the TikTok application. Once you've opened, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, now if you tap on the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle, then you'll be able to add videos, photos and text, right? So choose the photo and go for upload, which is on the bottom right, and tap on allow all, and then tap on photos, and from here you can choose photos that you would like to add. So for example, I'll be choosing one or two photos. So choose multiple photos. Once you've chosen, tap on next, which is on the bottom, and once you choose the photos, now you will have the slideshow option, right? But if you don't want the slideshow and if you want the photo swipe option instead of the slideshow, then what you need to do is if you go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and here if you scroll down, then you don't have any option to swipe, right? So it might not be available in your region. So what you need to do is just go back, go all the way back, and here go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar. Tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on free up space, and tap on clear cache and clear your cache. Once you've cleared your cache, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go and make sure that your app is up to date. So go for the Play Store, go for search and search for TikTok. And once you've searched, if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your application. And once you update it, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go back and open up your settings, scroll down, go for the apps. So under apps, open up your dock. Once you open, go for storage and cache, and go for clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed. So go and restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.